What's up guys, it's DIY Arch. We're out here at another job site and I'm gonna go ahead and try to run this thing here. Well, at least we're gonna check it. It is street legal. It's got tires. It also has a steering wheel and an engine, so why not, right? It sounds pretty automotive to me. We'll check this thing out, see what it's similar to a car or truck. All right, we'll see you in a minute, guys. Well, it's definitely got tires. That's the same as a car. It does also have some headlights and turn signals.
Wow, it's got a big old yoke, just like a truck or something, just monster size.
And it's got a motor. This is a diesel engine, but hey, we see them on the street all the time. We'll check it out. My car doesn't have a ladder. All right, here's what it looks like in the cab. We are way up in the air. It's got a lot of windows, but it does have a steering wheel. It's got a couple pedals. One's on one side, one's on the other. That's kind of different. Okay, really not too much like a car. Pretty scary. I'm way up here. Steering wheel and the gears are over here. So you go through your transmission here and then you go forward and reverse on that. Definitely not like my car. But the steering wheel is the same. But the whole front end moves. It doesn't move any tires. The whole body moves. Incredible, you guys. I don't know what to think about this one. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to say it's quite a bit different. Look at even the gas pedals here. Well, it's diesel, not gas. And your brake pedals over here, so that's kind of awkward. Look at this. Actually lifts buckets up, so I don't think this is too much like a street car. But all right, guys, like, subscribe, go ahead and share this, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, we're out of here. Wow, that was pretty crazy. That's a lot of big machine right there, but it's pretty neat to learn. So I appreciate everybody on the site and checking out our channel, and stay tuned. We're constantly going to give you new stuff, guys, and we appreciate your support and everything. We're out here. Till the next one.